A YouTuber has sparked global discussion by claiming to have come remarkably close to uncovering the 140-year-old secret behind Coca-Cola, a formula long regarded as one of the most closely guarded trade secrets in business history. Coca-Cola, one of the world's most iconic beverages, is consumed in more than 200 countries, with around 2.2 billion servings enjoyed every day, making it not just a drink but a symbol of globalization, branding power, and consumer culture. Invented in 1886 by Dr. John Stith Pemberton, the formula was initially shared only verbally, later passing into the hands of Asa Candler, who transformed it into a global enterprise. In 1919, when Ernest Woodruff and his partners bought the company, the recipe was written down and locked in a New York bank vault before being moved to Atlanta, a decision that reinforced its mystique and is believed to be the reason the company never patented the formula, as patents require public disclosure. While the ingredient list publicly mentions sugar, caffeine, sodium, and natural flavors, the exact composition of those flavors has remained the real mystery for more than a century. The latest claim comes from the founder of the science-focused YouTube channel Lab Coats, who spent nearly a year researching historical documents, testing old recipes found online, and experimenting with chemistry and flavor science to recreate the taste. In a viral video titled "Perfectly Replicating Coca-Cola, It Took Me a Year," he explains that his goal was not to steal or exactly duplicate the original formula, but to scientifically understand why Coca-Cola tastes the way it does. He breaks down the drink structure, noting that 1 liter contains roughly 110 grams of sugar, about 96 milligrams of caffeine, phosphoric acid, and coloring, but emphasizes that the real complexity lies in flavor balance. Through repeated trials, he experimented with essential oils such as cinnamon, orange, clove, and black pepper, eventually discovering that tannins, commonly found in tea and other beverages, play a crucial role by cutting sweetness and adding a subtle dryness that many people subconsciously associate with Coca-Cola's signature taste. Naming his version Lab Cola, he conducted informal taste tests with friends and volunteers, many of whom reportedly felt it was close enough to be mistaken for the real product. While Coca-Cola has not responded to the claim, the experiment highlights an important insight. Even the most secretive formulas can be partially understood through modern science, patience, and experimentation. More importantly, it adds value by showing how chemistry, sensory science, and historical research intersect in everyday products, reminding audiences that iconic brands are not just marketing success stories, but also carefully engineered creations, and that human curiosity continues to push the boundaries of what we think is impossible to understand.